Novak Djokovic, confused.
He was granted a controversial medical exemption to play.
His COVID vaccine exemption has been denied.
Privileged.
People are just sick of superstars being given special treatment.
Or persecuted.
Do you agree that it is political persecution?
I can't really see anything else.
Inside this nondescript building in Melbourne, 33 migrants and one world #1 tennis superstar. For a third night, Djokovic is holed up in an immigration detention hotel just minutes from the grounds of the Australian Open. Win the tournament this year and he will break the Grand Slam record. It begins Monday week. Players must be vaccinated. Djokovic refuses. But natural immunity was enough for the Victorian government to grant the tennis star an exemption. Issued a visa by the federal government and granted permission to play by the state government, Djokovic was allowed to board the plane unvaccinated. But upon landing, the federal government decided they wouldn't let him past the airport. Authorities cancelled his visa after 8 hours of interrogation. Djokovic now faces deportation.
Rules are rules, and there are no special cases.
Rules that have been judged draconian by protesters in Serbia and Melbourne. Fans, anti-vaxxers and refugee supporters, united not by a political ideology, but a rallying call for his release.
I Novaka pokušavaju na isti način da razapinju.
Serbia now locked in an intense match of diplomatic tennis with Australia, demanding Djokovic is moved to accommodation befitting the best sportsman on the planet. The tennis star has reportedly demanded access to a chef and a tennis court. Piers Morgan weighing in, it is not about whether you believe in COVID vaccines, but whether you believe famous sports stars should play by the same rules as everyone else, he wrote. Senator Sarah Hanson-Young turning attention to the refugees housed in the same building as Djokovic. Some have been there for 9 years, still awaiting their own court hearings. Imagine if compassion and outrage was consistent. For Djokovic, tomorrow is D-Day. The star's legal team is set to challenge his visa cancellation in the federal court. But with the legal challenge ongoing, there remains a chance the world's #1 will be permitted to play in what has become one monumental tennis racket with Australia centre court. Connor Alforque, 6 News.